Meet AirPods Pro, one of the world's most popular wireless earbuds. Inside each tiny earbud are dozens of precision-engineered components. These tiny devices have transformed how millions experience sound. But every AirPods Pro begins with carefully engineered raw materials. Let's follow every step behind one of the world's most advanced earbuds. Every AirPods Pro begins with high-purity, engineering-grade plastic.
Every plastic pellet is carefully dried before shaping begins. The prepared resin is delivered automatically to precision molding machines. Controlled heat transforms solid plastic into molten material. Molten engineering plastic is injected into a precision mold.
The empty shells cool and stabilize before finishing. Microscopic excess plastic is carefully removed. Laser inspection verifies every empty shell.
Approved shells are sorted for assembly.
Tiny circuit boards are prepared for assembly. Robots position microscopic electronic components with incredible precision.
Controlled heat permanently bonds every electronic component.
Every circuit board is inspected before assembly. The miniature speaker drivers are prepared for installation. The miniature speaker driver is installed first. The circuit board is positioned with microscopic precision. Microscopic connections bring the speaker to life. A compact lithium battery is carefully installed. The battery is permanently connected to the electronics. Tiny microphones are installed with perfect alignment. Every microphone is connected with microscopic precision. Precision sensors are added to complete the electronics. Every internal component is inspected before final assembly. The complete assembly is ready for final enclosure. Precision alignment ensures a perfect fit. The protective housing is carefully sealed. Ultrasonic welding permanently seals the housing. The housing is polished to a flawless finish. Laser machining creates every precision opening. Protective acoustic mesh is installed with precision. Charging contacts are added to the earbud stem. The soft silicone ear tip is fitted last. The completed earbud undergoes its first functional test. Every earbud is inspected before final packaging. The charging case begins as two hollow plastic shells.
The empty charging case shells are carefully removed.
The charging case electronics are assembled with precision. A rechargeable battery is installed inside the charging case.
The charging electronics are precisely installed.
Gold-plated contacts deliver power to each earbud.
Powerful magnets keep the earbuds securely in place. The precision hinge connects the lid to the case.
The charging case passes its first performance test. For the first time, the complete system comes together.
The earbuds are electronically paired with their charging case.
Every earbud is tested for outstanding sound quality. Every detail is inspected before packaging. The complete system is packaged with precision. Every package is sealed and labeled for shipment.
Retail boxes are packed into shipping cartons.
Finished products await worldwide distribution. Every shipment is prepared for global delivery. From the factory, they travel to customers around the world. Now they're ready to deliver exceptional sound to millions.